How to remove phone number from Discord on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Discord application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Discord homepage. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. On this page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, go to Account. Then, go to Phone. You can update your phone number from here. If you want to remove it, then tap on Remove Phone Number below. Enter your password to complete the change and then tap on Done. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove phone number from Discord on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.